Okay, here's a brief video of our 1997 Daewoo Puma 18. I'm going to go through basic features right now. If you look down here, here's the shot pin for the tailstock. That comes up to drag it, and then it releases when you want to stop the tailstock where it is. Same thing, there's another button that comes up here on the top of the steady rest. That's released down here by a handle. And those just lock into this round mechanism right here on the bottom of the turret to move them. Here's some turret move or axis movement real quick. Let's do the turret indexes. Okay, and now we're in low gear, and I'm just going to manually run the spindle here. Okay, that's 134 RPMs. Okay, and then we're going to stop here, and then I'm going to manually shift to second gear. And then we're going to start up. That's second gear is running at 330 RPMs. Okay. And then that's shifting into third gear. I got a little belt squeak on there, sorry. That's about as fast as I want to run this. That's a 21-inch chuck. We're at 585 RPM right now, and that's, I don't want to get much faster than that, so. Okay. And there's your gear changes. I'll show you these real quick. That's third gear. That's second gear. That's first gear. And there's neutral. I hope that's everything you needed to see. Thank you.